সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড নাম্বার 59 is on Katha again. আর কাঁথা আমি আরও এতবার দেখিয়েছি, but still it seems more is less. So keep this love flowing and keep this, demand should always be there. I'm sure you're liking the products, and that is why you are there with me, you are there with us rather. Thank you and keep watching episode number 59 on Katha. Product number 1, Bangalore Silk Katha, traditional Katha in mustard multicolor. Pure Bangalore silk, all over thread work. আমি প্রত্যেকটা কাঁথা এপিসোডে আমি প্রথম থেকে বলে দিই, নাম্বার 1, 5-6 হাইট অবধি কাঁথার কোনো প্রবলেম হয় না, বিকজ তারপর কি হয়, so much of work the cloth shrinks a bit due to the thread work. Hence the width is not as much as we see in Banarasis and Kanjivarams. Till 5-6 height it is okay. Like I am wearing with heel, today I'm 5'7" with heel, but I can wear a katha comfortably. But above that you have to attach a material on the upper part of where you tuck the product if needed. Mostly it's not needed. Number 2 is these are done in frames. So what happens? So the cloth may, it spreads a bit. একটু দেখে মনে হবে ফেসে গেছে, but it is not that. It is because of the frame that is tightly attached in the fabric, and these are pure silk fabric, so hence it seems like that, but that is not at all an effect. And number 3 is these are dried in the sun and done in it takes months to create these handwork silks in or tussar. But then what happens, these people, they dry it in the fields and they wash it. Even if after washing there may be few mud marks or marks of the paint, the xerox of the motif may remain, so please ignore that. It's so much work, nothing will be shown. This is the blouse piece, and again because of the shrinkage the blouses are maybe 60-70 centimeters, so you have to attach a material if required. Not all, but few. This is 7,500 rupees. Product number 1, traditional katha. Product number 1. Product number 2, again traditional katha in monotone, midnight blue with white thread work. So 3-4 things please keep in mind because of this katha work. 3-4 months to 6 months each product takes to be created. So of course it is there in their homes and all, it takes months, so many hands, and then polish, then wash. But like dark colors it will not show. In light colors there may be a few marks or there, but please ignore that. 7,500 rupees, and of course the mark will not be that visible. Obviously I will not send you a big stain mark or something like that, but that is very natural. The natural, the xerox work and all that, it is there in the light color saris, so that's very common in katha. This is the blouse piece. It's a navy blue with white work, thread work all over. Traditional katha, 7,500. Like for this, don't wear a white blouse, you can wear a red blouse with the border attached. That will also look nice with this color. And if you are wearing white with that, then you can go for a chicken blouse, it will look very nice, or a white shirt blouse. This is batik katha, pure Bangalore silk, temple work. See the embroidery, multicolor temple embroidery. Pallu, 8,500 rupees. Crack batik katha, border upper part, lower part, temple with contrast yellow blouse piece, and throughout the sari hand batik cracks. This is the blouse piece. $8,500 in pure Bangalore silk. Another batik katha. You know, you can check out our Facebook page. There's the album Nokshi and Reverse Katha. There's also another album Tie and Dye Katha. So you can check out those for more options. And of course these are there. This is heavily done crack batik in mustard and coffee color. See the work, very intricate work done by skilled karigars. You can see the filling of the motifs. Each petals has been so intricately filled with thread work. So there lies the exclusivity and the finish. I'll also show you the back part. All thread work, hand work katha. This is product number 4, 8,500 rupees. Mustard and coffee color with coffee, blackish coffee blouse, and border will also have the work here. This is the sari and this is the blouse piece. Blackish coffee actually. This is a beautiful floral embroidery in again Bangalore silk, all over katha. Very pretty thread work. And the color itself is in midnight blue and through color thread yellow and pink with outline done in white. Pallu 8,300 rupees. You can just check the description. All the details of the price and the color is also mentioned in the description part. There's the Facebook link and the Insta page link also. The showroom address is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. So these are the two stores that we have in Kolkata, and these stores are 25-year-old. Sanskrit is a 25-year-old company, and it's in the fashion industry for 25 years. I have been working intricately, and I know with a lot of karigars, weavers throughout India. This is in dark bottle green. You know, it's a color is it's peacock green type of a color. It's not exactly bottle green. There's a tone of turquoise blue in this. It's a beautiful unique shade in Bangalore silk. 7950, 7,950 rupees all over katha, and very reasonably priced. It's the best price that I can offer because all my prices are declared even in Facebook page. So there's no hide and seek. You can check out our WhatsApp status also. All new collections are also uploaded in the WhatsApp status. So within 24 hours, once you book the product, within 24 hours you will get the reply. There are two numbers that is going, 7603042696, where only messages are, you can only message. The other number is 98311, 983 I think 11911280, two numbers. So any one of the number you can send the screenshot and do the booking. Another color, same thing, that was in bottle green type of a color. This is in turquoise blue, peacock blue color. Same work, two colors. 7,950 rupees. These are all fresh collection and all one piece. We will not take any orders of these. Kathas we do not take order. So whatever we are showing, all single piece, you will get more varieties in both the branches, but this piece only one piece. This is the look. Today I really want to apologize. I have been, there are so many messages that I receive within few minutes that it's really difficult to reply all of them instantly. So give me some time. All the queries will be answered. I'm trying to, store more and more of the same product, which though I personally don't like storing the same product multiple pieces, but still because of the demand, and I'm sorry that most of you are not getting the products which you are opting for or you want to book those. Most of them are getting sold out, so I'm trying to create, but keep watching the new videos. If you like, share and subscribe, you can get regular notifications of, see, like Katha, I've been doing 3-4 episodes I've already done in this 59 episodes that I've showed. I think 5 or 6 episodes has been of Katha. I'll be doing more. So in case you don't get a product, don't feel sad. I will be bringing more stock very, very soon. So, and if you have the options of visiting our store, please do. This is a beautiful color. This color is in dark wine color, and in that also in Bangalore silk, and the thread work, it's half and half with border will be broad border. This is product number 9, tie and dye Katha, 8,800 rupees in pure Bangalore silk. Very exclusive design. It's in reverse Katha, all handwork. These are absolutely handwork and all in pure fabric. So from here, yoke part, the diagonal dye will be there, the upper part will be black, the lower part will be red, and see the intricate embroidery in so many, the 22 colors has been used in this particular piece. Black pallu, and diagonally throughout the Katha will go, the black part will keep increasing. So it looks very smart. It's a figure correction sari, you can say. This is the blouse piece in black. So here is the look. Very smart looking sari. A leaf motif in pure Bangalore silk again. Dual tone peacock blue. Half sari will be throughout work, and that also in this leaf motif. It's a very smart look sari. 8,900 rupees, 8,900. Little hatke from the regular Kathas. And this part is the woven part. This is also in Bangalore silk, but this is fully woven. It's a beautiful fabric and very soft, lightweight also. It seems as if it's Katha done, but no, this is woven. This is the look. And of course, this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece border, and this is the sari. Very different. Okay, let me tell you about the jewelry that I am wearing. This is in with tassels, oxidized silver with stone work, 2450, and it has this jhumka along with the neck piece. 2450. I have another color. All premium jewelry and all very good finish. Again 2450. This is in deep rust maroon kind of a color, and with this jhumkas. Product number 11. Bangalore silk again, but it's a very smart looking sari, very artistic sari, you can say. This part has been done in very muted subtle color, because the base color is a powder blue kind of a color, turquoise blue but muted. This is the pallu in black, and the best part is the pleat. The pleat will be in woven stripe with thread work. Then again this. So it's a partly pallu sari. The pleat will be in stripe katha. Body will be throughout work. The dress part will also have work, and then again a contrast blouse piece. A very smart sari. And of course the color. The color is also very uncommon. Very intricate work. 8,800 rupees. Similar type with a little change. This is tussar. This part is silk with leaf thread work. Pallu in magenta, throughout in stripes without border. It doesn't have a border because throughout the sari will have this leaf embroidery. Hand, magenta blouse piece with border. Very smart look. I try to show all the saris as close as possible, as much detail it is possible to show in the video, but then so don't please ask me to send another. Again, these stills I keep sharing in the Facebook page also, but by the time you ask me to send the close-up picture, the back side, then maybe the product is sold out and you will feel disappointed. So better I'm showing you watch the video very properly. Be sure of what you're buying. If you have any queries about the product or the details or anything you want to ask, definitely go ahead. But if once you are confirmed, only then you do the booking. This is the blouse piece in grey color, slate color, and black and slate combination. Just border pallu concept, but a very, very smart looking sari. The black part and the motifs are reversed katha with painting. This part is fully katha, all katha. This is the border, all katha, the border in katha. The black part is acid painting. The motifs, the floral part are in katha. This is the sari. Another acid paint with katha, product number 14, 8,300. In case I missed out any prices, please check out the description part. Take the screenshot along with the prices mentioned and send it to the WhatsApp number where you want to book. Once you do the payment in the business account that I will provide you, and send me the screenshot of the payment details, the products will be shipped within 2 days. If it's a Saturday, Sunday, then the shipping will be done on Monday. The pallu, painting with katha, all these are in katha. Shading has been done and then in paint, and the full filling has been, motif has been done in katha. Katha work, and the color itself is also very uncommon. It's a mustard, a goldenish mustard yellow with purple color combination. It's a border pallu. Here is the blouse piece, sleek narrow border blouse piece. With this, of course, you can wear a poppin blue blouse piece and then use the fabric in the border. white. For those who don't want red, green, yellow, those shade and would like for a very classy, muted, subtle color combination, so this is for them. It's a light silver ash color, and the thread work, just see how beautiful the work is in grey, powder blue and sky blue. So there are 3 colors that has been used, and that also in a light ash color sari. The pallu, and throughout the sari will be in stripes without border. So those who want to avoid those colors, so this is a very pretty sari, and even it's uncommon also. Blouse piece in milk white. Once I'll show you. This is the sari. 3D Katha, always in demand. And today I'll show you some bright, vibrant new shades. Upper part woven with single color thread in white, in sea green, then turquoise blue and then grey. 3 shades has been woven in the sari, and that also done throughout fully filled work. Pallu in stripe with katha, 8,900 rupees, 8,900. Here is the blouse piece. 2 borders will be there. Very bright color. Another shade. This combination is also very pretty. The upper part will be in what color would you say? It's a maroon, light maroonish color, then orange and then matte red. Pallu in stripes, 8,900. All 3D kathas are 8,900 rupees, all handwork, and all are very pretty, it will look very nice on wearing. The photographs will come out very well because these are in lovely gorgeous shades. Hand woven sari, hand work sari, blouse piece. The look. Tussar, desi tussar with reverse katha with applique. Reverse katha, applique, pallu, always classy. This is the blouse piece. Product number 17 and the price is 9,500. Product number 17, Gachi by Gachi Tussar. Product number 19, 9,500, again tussar but in a beautiful shade of lavender and pink. This dye has come out very uncommon, I think, and the color combination is also very sweet. খুব মিষ্টি কালার কম্বিনেশনের উপর একটা ল্যাভেন্ডার কালারের মধ্যে পিঙ্ক আর ডার্ক পিঙ্ক রানী দিয়ে কালারটা করা হয়েছে। পুরো কাজটা এভাবে যাবে, বর্ডার মানে কাজের ডিজাইনটাও একটু অন্যরকম করা হয়েছে। সো এটা একটু পরার পর আমার মনে হয় একদম আনকমন লাগবে। আর এটার সাথে পুরো তসর মানে গাছি বাই গাছি তসর। আর এটা হচ্ছে আপনার ব্লাউজ পিসের টেম্পল মোটিভটা আসবে ব্লাউজ পিসের মধ্যে। তো এই হচ্ছে আপনার লুকটা, পুরো বর্ডার ওয়াইজ চলে যাবে, আঁচলে ভরাটি কাজ এবং প্রত্যেকটা পাতা কিন্তু ভীষণ, আমি আবার দেখাই কত সূক্ষ্মভাবে ভরাট কাজটা করা হয়েছে। আপনারা দেখে বুঝে, ব্যাক সাইডটাও দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 20, 9500। খালি কালারটা দেখুন আর কাজটা দেখুন। জবা ফুলের গাছ, হাইবিস্কাস থ্রু আউট ইন কাঁথা ইন চারকোল গ্রে কালার্স, চারকোল ব্ল্যাক, 9500। অপূর্ব কাজটা হয়েছে, পুরো এভাবে যাবে। রেড দিয়ে আর ইয়েলো দিয়ে গ্রিন দিয়ে পুরো কাজটা করা। ব্লাউজ পিস, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 20। আরেকবার দেখিয়ে দিই কাজটা, ভীষণ সুন্দর পরিষ্কার কাজ ইন গাছি তসর পিওর। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 21। প্রিন্টের সাথে কাঁথা, আপার পার্টটা সিল্কের ওপর প্রিন্ট করা হয়েছে, সিল্ক পিওর সিল্ক, ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্ক উইথ কাঁথা ওয়ার্ক। এটা এভাবে যাবে পুরো সেন্টার দিয়ে, একটা ভীষণ স্মার্ট, এটা একটা অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টের শাড়ি। 8800 রুপিস, 8800। একদম ডিজাইনার লুক করা হয়েছে উইথ প্রিন্টিং অ্যান্ড পেন্টিং অ্যান্ড দেন দ্য কাঁথা। খুব স্মার্ট লুকটা উইথ রাস্ট কালার ব্লাউজ পিস, অ্যান্ড ব্লাউজ পিসের বর্ডারের কাজটাও ভীষণ সুন্দর। ব্লাউজ পিস এটা আসবে। আমার না এপিসোডটা পুরো রেডি হয়ে যাওয়ার পর তারপরে এত এই নতুন নতুন কাজগুলো এসছে, এত ভালো এই কাজগুলো হয়েছে, নতুন কাজগুলো। Again 9500 in গাছি তসর, pure গাছি তসর in black, charcoal black and tussar color combination. Pleats will have this work. Just see the embroidery. So much of hard work involved in this sari. They dyed this part and then again the partly will have throughout work. The blouse piece will be in black and white border. Very uncommon. And now the one that I'm wearing, I'll just show you. There I'll have 2-3 pieces I have. This is in a purplish poppin blue color, throughout embroidery, tassels. See the work. Very rich pallu. And the price is this is price 8700 rupees, 8700. Yeah, so I've got 3 colors. The one is the color that I'm wearing, one is royal blue. The work will be slightly different but the motive and the designs will be same. This is in royal blue, all single piece, throughout embroidery, 8700 with tassels, throughout work with royal blue blouse piece. Just see the embroidery, it will go throughout, and this is the blouse piece. And the last one, similar one, 8,700. Only this design will be in, this design is changing. This is also in royal blue. See the geometric work throughout the border. Pallu. These are in royal blue throughout work. And here is the blouse piece. Please like, share and subscribe if you liking the products, and send the screenshot and keep watching. Thank you so much. Namaskar.